Hello, this is Crypto Channel and my name is Frederick. Today we're going to talk about what Ripple is and what is special about it. And of course we'll try to predict its price in the future. Before we really get into the numbers, there's one thing I need to clarify. Ripple is a company specializing in making money transactions fast and cheap on a global scale. Ripple has made software for this purpose, and they have made a pre-mined cryptocurrency called XRP to use with their software, though it isn't required that companies use XRP when they use the Ripple software. XRP is a cryptocurrency you buy. It's made by the Ripple company. The intention is for banks to use it to transfer money almost instantaneously. When using it, the expenses for banks get even cheaper. There are 100 billion XRP, but right now only 38 billion of them are circulating. What does it mean that Ripple is pre-mined? As the word pre-mined says, all coins are distributed among the Ripple company and its founders. There are no coins for mining like there is with Bitcoin. This means the Ripple company controls the supply of XRP. This makes XRP a more centralized cryptocurrency than any other on the market. Though they have recently decided to put 55 billion XRP in escrow, which means that the Ripple company can only sell 1 billion XRP per month over the next 55 months. Each month, the remaining XRP that haven't been sold is then added to the month 56, and then 57th month, and so on. This is done partly to make sure people aren't worried about the Ripple company flooding the market with XRP and driving down the prices of each coin, and thereby scaring any potential investors. Let's get into some of the numbers. The Ripple system can, when you send money with XRP, make transactions within 4 seconds. And each transaction has a transaction cost of 0.00001 XRP. This amount is deleted, and as a result, the total amount of Ripple is decreased with each transaction. This amount can increase if the load on the network is high, meaning the more transactions on the system, the higher the transaction costs. It is not the total cost of the transaction, as the banks are allowed to issue their own transaction fees on top of this, meaning you need to pay the transaction cost that is burned from the system, and then you need to pay the bank fees. What about scalability? The Ripple company states on their site that they can handle 1,500 transactions per second, and that they are able to scale this up to match the 50,000 transactions per second that Visa is capable of. For a comparison, Bitcoin is able to handle 3 or 4 transactions per second, and when it is scaled to a 32 megabyte block size, Bitcoin Cash can make 23 to 92 transactions per second. I know these numbers aren't very exact, but at the moment Ripple can at least handle more than 15 times as many transactions as Bitcoin Cash. Let's talk about the price. There are currently around 38 billion XRP in circulation, and there can be around 100 billion XRP in total. XRP has a market cap of 92.5 billion US dollars, and each coin is worth around 2.4 US dollar as of right now. Some say Ripple will be the new Bitcoin in the future because with each transaction some XRP are deleted. But how long would it take for XRP to reach such a price as Bitcoin? Let's say XRP becomes the new Visa and handles 8,000 transactions per second, which is the average for Visa. So 8,000 transactions per second times 60 seconds on a minute times 60 minutes on an hour times 24 hours on a day times 365 days on a year. This gives us approximately 2.5 million XRP deleted each year, on an average of course. If we then divide the 38.7 billion XRP that is the current supply and the 99.9 billion XRP that's the max supply by the 2.5 million that is deleted each year, we get the amount of years it would take for all XRP to be gone. The result is between 15,355 and 39,634 years. Now, in order for there to be around 21 million coins left, we need to subtract 8 years from these results. This is of course assuming that the amount of Ripple burnt per transaction is constant, which it is not. But I was unable to find out how much the amount would increase with the load on the network. But if any of you have a formula, feel free to write it in the comments and I'll make another calculation in another video. Let's do some price calculations for 2018. If we assume that 1 billion XRP is added each month this year and that Ripple has 1500 transactions per second, there will then be 50,738,000,000 XRP approximately. If Ripple then holds its current market cap, 1 XRP will be worth around $1.85 US. So let's say Ripple reaches the same market cap as Bitcoin, 234 billion US dollars right now. The price of 1 XRP will then be 4.62 US dollars. I think this sounds possible in the span of 2018, as cryptocurrencies are only getting more adoption. And Ripple has the advantage of drawing in big customers, like the banks and other financial institutions. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice and it's just my personal opinion on Ripple. So, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you want more content like this. And please comment for any subject that you'd like me to cover in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.